Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the dynamic beam effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, all we're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then we'll scroll down to find Dynamic Beam. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to mess around with viewing the effect. Now we're going to elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the horizontal, the strength, the range, and the speed of the effect, and also add keyframes. We have a video on keyframes if you guys want to take a little tutorial on that. So let's take a look. Boom, 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 boom. So it's kind of like a pulsing effect. I'd say for an effect like this, you would want to shorten it for a specific point in a video. So let's say my sister missed the phone, and we'll put the dynamic beam right there. So let's check it out. Perfect. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.